Black matte appliances kitchen compatibility for your house. Dear friends, for many modern homeowners, the kitchen is a design playground. While stainless steel is the safe go-to choose, matte black appliances offer a different approach to kitchen design that's on every interior designer's radar. Popular pairings include black matte appliances with metallic hardware such as gold, brass, or bronze. Black matte appliances with white countertops. Black matte appliances with dark, white, and colored cabinets. Overall, black matte appliances offer a one-of-a-kind look no other finish can replicate. The look is particularly great in modern kitchens and cooking spaces designed around industrial themes, but it's also a surprisingly welcome addition in farmhouse kitchens for an added pop of character. It's also a natural choice for minimalist kitchen designs where shiny stainless steel or white can feel distracting. In open-concept kitchens, black matte appliances are a great choice as well since they anchor the space. However, due to their light-absorbing properties, they allow other players in a kitchen setup to play with the design, creating harmony and cohesion. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.